Can you fill my bucket with that? Oh.
I wish we had a real goalie instead of just two trucks next to each other.
And maybe a ball that wasn't ripped. Hello? Hi. My name is Bluey from Parkside School, and we are raising money using a bowling fundraiser. I bet you didn't know that.
I mean, your hat looks like you might like bowling, but...
I do like bowling, and I really like to play outside at recess, and all of our things are broken or they're just not very fun, so we're raising money so we can get new stuff to play with outside.
Oh.
Would you like to support us?
Sure, how can I do that?
Well, we're just taking any type of a donation that you're comfortable, and you can give me a check or you can give me some cash, and then I'll bring it to school, and there's prizes. The grand prize is $100 in Monroe money, and I get to go shopping with Mrs. Travey.
Oh my goodness, I would love to support you. I will be right back with some money.
Okay.
Is this enough? Will this do?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye, Bluey.